Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best hand blenders that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Braun MultiQuick 9 is an exceptional kitchen appliance renowned for its impressive performance and versatile features. Powered by a robust 700-watt motor and equipped with active blade technology, this blender ensures fast and efficient blending results, even with tough ingredients. The active blade design allows the blade to move up and down, enhancing blending precision and consistency. One of the standout features of the MultiQuick 9 is its smart speed technology, offering 3 speed modes to cater to various blending tasks with ease. The Easy Click Plus attachment system enables effortless swapping of attachments, making it convenient to transition between different culinary functions. Included with the Braun MultiQuick 9 are a range of attachments, such as a food processor with a dicer attachment, kneading tool, chopping blade, slicing and shredding discs, and a French fry cutting blade. This comprehensive set of accessories enhances the blender's versatility, allowing it to tackle a wide array of kitchen tasks effectively. Users appreciate the ergonomic design of the MultiQuick 9, ensuring a comfortable grip during prolonged use. Additionally, the blender's dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleaning and maintenance, adding to its user-friendly appeal. In summary, the Braun MultiQuick 9 combines power, innovation, and versatility, making it an invaluable asset for blending, chopping, slicing, and processing tasks in any modern kitchen. Its durable construction, advanced features, and ease of use make it a standout choice for culinary enthusiasts seeking superior blending performance. The Vitamix Immersion blender is a high-performance handheld blending device designed for seamless operation directly in pots, pans, and various containers. With its robust 625-watt motor and 5-speed settings, this blender effortlessly handles tough ingredients, delivering precise textures thanks to its unique 4-pronged blade. Key features of the Vitamix include one-handed operation for added convenience during blending and ingredient addition, along with a unique bell guard that reduces suction, enhances ingredient flow, and protects cookware. Its versatility extends to blending in any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening, supported by a 5-foot cord for flexible and reliable use. The blender's compact ergonomic handle ensures comfortable handling and control, while its stainless steel blade excels at pureeing, blending, chopping, and whipping ingredients. Cleanup is simplified with a detachable dishwasher-safe blade assembly. This immersion blender is particularly well suited for blending hot ingredients directly in pots and pans, making it perfect for preparing soups, purees, and sauces without the need for transferring hot liquids. Overall, the Vitamix Immersion blender is a versatile kitchen companion with features like variable speed control, a soft grip handle, and compatibility with additional attachments such as a blending jar and whisk. Whether you're blending, chopping, or whisking, this appliance offers exceptional performance and is a valuable addition to any kitchen. The Cuisinart Evolution X is a versatile and convenient personal blender designed for portable use, perfect for creating smoothies, shakes, crushing ice, and pureeing soups with ease. Powered by a 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery, this blender offers up to 20 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge, providing cordless flexibility for blending anywhere, whether in the kitchen or on outdoor adventures. Recharging is simple using a USB cord, ensuring convenience and accessibility. Key features of the Cuisinart Evolution X include its powerful motor, capable of handling various blending tasks such as crushing ice and processing tough ingredients like fibrous fruits and vegetables. Despite its robust performance, the blender maintains a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to store and transport. The blender's 16-ounce to-go cup with a travel lid enhances its portability, allowing you to blend and carry your beverages on the move. Additionally, cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe blades and cup components, simplifying maintenance after use. While the Cuisinart Evolution X is not intended for heavy-duty or professional use due to its limited battery life, it excels in its versatility and convenience for everyday blending needs, particularly for single-serving applications. Whether you're blending breakfast smoothies at home or enjoying fresh drinks while camping or traveling, this blender offers a reliable and efficient solution, complemented by user-friendly LED display controls and a quick 2-hour recharge time. The Kent Hand Blender is an indispensable kitchen tool designed to simplify cooking tasks with efficiency and versatility. Its powerful 400-watt motor ensures rapid and effective blending and whisking of ingredients. The blender features variable speed control, allowing for precise adjustments tailored to different recipes, enhancing its adaptability. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body, this appliance promises longevity and robust performance. Its multifaceted functionality extends to chopping vegetables, creating purees, blending smoothies and shakes, preparing baby food, soups, and more, streamlining kitchen operations. Remarkably, the hand blender operates with minimal noise despite its potent motor, ensuring a tranquil cooking experience, even during late-night meal preparations. This attribute makes it ideal for households where noise levels must be kept in check. The blender is compatible with both hot and cold ingredients, facilitating the creation of various culinary delights ranging from refreshing beverages to hearty soups. Cleaning and maintenance are effortless thanks to its lightweight design, stainless steel blades, and detachable shaft, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. In summary, the Kent Hand Blender stands out as a dependable and efficient culinary ally, equipped with a robust motor, adaptable speed control, and a resilient stainless steel structure. Its array of features makes it an essential addition to any kitchen, catering to a wide range of cooking needs with ease and reliability. The KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance designed to simplify a range of culinary tasks, from blending and pureeing to chopping and whisking. Equipped with a powerful motor and 3 adjustable speeds, this hand blender can handle various ingredients and recipes with precision and efficiency. Whether you're blending smooth soups and sauces, chopping nuts and vegetables, or pureeing baby food, you can select the appropriate speed setting for optimal results. One standout feature of this hand blender is its soft grip handle, providing a comfortable and secure hold during extended blending sessions. The durable stainless steel blade ensures smooth and consistent blending, even with tough ingredients. What sets this blender apart is its included accessories, enhancing its versatility. The chopper attachment is perfect for processing small quantities of herbs, nuts, or cooked meat, while the whisk attachment swiftly whips egg whites or emulsifies dressings. Additionally, all detachable parts, including the hand blender, chopper, and whisk attachments, are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after use. Although not the most feature-rich immersion blender, users appreciate its durability and overall performance for everyday blending tasks. With its ergonomic design, powerful motor, and thoughtful attachments, the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender is a practical addition to any kitchen, offering convenience and functionality for a variety of culinary needs.